Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.